Sri Saptagiri Ulka ji.
Thank you, Chairman, sir.
I, Saptagiri Shankar Ulaka, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India.
Now, this is a flagship program for rural employment. So basically, this points that due to demonetization, due to the incorrect GST and the various tax laws, the people, the actual people are being affected and the MSMEs are virtually destroyed in the country. There are two big challenges. One is the employment issue and second is the employability issue. When I talk about the employment issue, let me tell you, sir, there are about 10 lakh engineers from private engineering colleges who are lying unemployed. And around 15 to 20% in IITs, they still don't have campuses. 2014 के बाद से देखें जैसे FRA पैसा सब डाइल्यूट हो रहा है 20 लाख लोगों को एविक्ट करने के लिए फॉरेस्ट राइट एक्ट में ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फिर से डिसीजन है ये किसकी जिम्मेदारी है सर अगर पार्लियामेंट में हम अपने आदिवासी की बात नहीं उठा सकते कौन उठाएगा साथ ही साथ मैं आपको बोलता हूँ सर खाली रिजर्वेशन काफ़ी नहीं है हमें अधिकार चाहिए जंगल जमीन पहाड़ सब हमारी है आप अपने हमारे घर से विदा नहीं कर सकते हो यही बोल के मैं इस बिल का फिर से समर्थन करता हूं सर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट द एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट फ्रेमवर्क इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर दिस रीजन बिकॉज वी आर वेरी अंडर डेवलप्ड एंड इज प्राइमरली a tribal region so I would request honorable speaker sir through you to honorable prime minister to have a special look in KBK region and Kandhamal district especially in Jagli street Koilapada Market street Adivasai Harijan street and so on and these are mainly slum dwellers who are very poor people who don't have any access to any facilities, sir. There was a mysterious death of Srimati Smita Rani Biswal, BLW of Hardaspur GP under Dharamsala block in Jajpur district. Sir, this is mysterious because the facts behind your death has yet to be ascertained and the suspicious manner in which the local police are investigating the matter. Without any investigation, it was declared as suicide and made public by none other than the accused.
Sir, Rayagada being an aspirational district with large tribal population needs support, especially in health services. The establishment of medical college has been a long pending demand.
In 2009, under the Act of Parliament, so you speak, sir, like Central University was established at Koraput. And it's 10 years, sir, it's 10 years and still it's not started. We've been flagging the issues through multiple MPs from multiple parties on the teaching staff, like there are vacancies in teaching posts. We just recently got a Vice Chancellor and I personally followed Central University of Koraput. There used to be no registrar, there used to be acting VC, they can't recruit staff. तो जब ये बिल आता है तो they say that पिछली सदन में पास किया गया, standing committee में गया है. But sir, the thing is, all the bills they are passed only in Lok Sabha and the way they pass RTI, आपका ट्रिपल तलाक हो गया, is not because of the merit of the bill but because of your crude majority. Speaker sir, I would like to ask the minister, mediation का process आप introduce किए हो. Sir, mediation में एक तो this bill आप introduce किए हो कि grievance जल्दी reversal हो जाए. दूसरा mediation से you are giving a scope to corruption. जो corruption करना चाहता है वो कर सकता है, जिसके पास power है, पैसा है, वो इसको control भी कर सकता है. This will further delay the process of grievance redressal.
They need to be included as synonym of Poroja, which is a notified as scheduled tribe at serial number 55 in ST list of India.
In Rayagada, we need a new intercity train from Jaipur to Bhubaneswar. This is the demand of the people for a long time. Secondly, the new railway project from Gunpur to Tiruvali by Visamkatak, this is still not in place. No accommodation has been done. This is one more key issue for the people of Rayagada. The third thing is the double lining from Koraput to Singapore line. This is also laying in the back burners and no progress has been made.
And when we talk about education and health, it's all fine, but what we were expecting from the budget is declaration of new aims or the establishment of medical colleges.
The employees have been demanding the merger of this NINL with either SAIL, RINL, NMDC or any PSU. But unfortunately, the central government has cleared way of privatization, approving proposal of strategic disinvestment of 100% equity shareholding in NINL without any investigation.
Jai Jagannath.